Everyone, imagine this. You're stuck with a dead battery in the middle of nowhere. Sounds like a nightmare, right? That's why you need the WOLFBOX 3000A jump starter. This isn't just a lifesaver for your car, but also a versatile tool packed with features you'll love. Let's check it out. This jump starter is powered by a robust 16,000 mAh battery, capable of jump starting vehicles up to 10 liters in both gas and diesel engines. Whether it's a car, truck, or even a boat, this device has got you covered. And with 3,000 amp peak current, is designed to restore your vehicle's power effortlessly. It's been tested to start vehicles 30 to 40 times on a single charge. Talk about reliability. You can see that this fits perfectly in the glove box, so you always have it handy when you need it. In the case, you'll find the jump starter, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and this durable EVA carrying case. Plus, WOLFBOX offers a 2-year warranty on Amazon and a lifetime warranty on their official website. That's peace of mind right there. So you can see here is the jump starter. It has your on and off button. This boost button is great for low voltage conditions, giving your vehicle the extra kick it needs to start. So this here's the plug to plug in the cables. There's only one way to put it in, so it's easy to attach it. You go like that. And then you attach the red to positive, black to negative. Take it off, you just slide it off. On this side, here's your USB-C port and a USB-A port. Here are the instructions on the back and some error message and solutions to help you solve it. Here's all the power specifications right here. So this is a great jump starter. It's made very well, good size. The HD LCD screen gives you a clear real-time updates on the status of your jump starter. It's super easy to read, ensuring you always know the condition of your emergency power supply. Need to charge your devices in a pinch? The WOLFBOX features a 65-watt USB-C quick charging port and a QC 3.0 USB-A port. Fully recharged within just 1.3 hours. It can also charge phones, laptops, and tablets at lightning speed, making it perfect for travel or camping. The WOLFBOX has this LED for the high beam mode, the strobe, and an SOS. So you'll never get stranded at nighttime using this box. The WOLFBOX jump starter is rated IP64. So it's built to withstand tough environments. Plus it comes with 10 essential safety protections, including spark-proof technology, low temperature protection, and high temperature protection, ensuring safe operation in any condition. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite feature of the WOLFBOX jump starter? Or do you have a memorable story about using a jump starter? Share it in the comments below. Ready to stay prepared for anything? Click on the link in the description to grab your WOLFBOX 3000A jump starter today. Trust me, you'll never want to hit the road without it. Thanks for watching.